are gonna go plowing. Well, my husband is, and I'm gonna tag along with him. It's gonna be fun, and then I gotta go back home to my babies. Yeah, we've gotten a lot of snow so far, like more than I thought we were gonna get, because usually they'll say we're getting snow and then we get none. So, but yeah, so we're gonna go plow, and then we'll head back to the house, put the babies to bed, and we'll see how much snow we get in the morning. Oh my God. How do you not make noises? You're just used to it?
Just do it. Oh!
Oh, Brody.
What?
He's having trouble.
Hit me, baby, one more time. Back off! Back off!
What do you mean back off?
Back off from my base.
Back off from your base?
Believe